Well, here we are this morning at the NEPA 3K run walk right here at the OPSO. The PBCJ team, we're out in our numbers. We have run and we have done ourselves very proud coming in this morning. Today is World Ocean Day and NEPA is celebrating, and we're also celebrating with them.
Let me tell you something. The environment is a lot of stress. And you know, with climate change, pollution, desertification, we have a lot of issues going on, right? A lot of issues going on. And the reality is that this will raise awareness and it also gets us fit, because being fit is an important part of the environment.
This is part of the National Environmental Awareness Week. And of course, by our name, you will realize that this whole week, and in fact, World Environment Day, is one of the most important days on our calendar. So we have to be involved in local activities to show our support and to help to raise awareness.
This is for species conservation, and there are many species inside of forests, and any conservation that includes forests is something that we want to be a part of.
I was just going with some friends, and I feel like it would be a good get out to just feel fit.
Now we're live at the PBCJ team's 3K run walk with one of the top competitors.
Hunter took this one with a storm. Hunter, what you have to say?
I just like to say I humbly accept this honor from the PBCJ family. Love you guys, man.
I was there in second place, and out of nowhere I heard when I look to my right, it was none other Bush T. Bush T took the second place, and I took the third place with honor.
All I have to say is, I won the race. In my heart, I won the race. Because from a big cloud, I won.
Big up to the young guys. The young guns really pushed me quite a bit, and I couldn't keep up with them. So I just kept my pace, had a good pace going. And I have to say, I was the first in my age group. I mean, these guys are 20, 25 years younger than me. And I was in right behind them.
Guys, I completed it in 20-something minutes.
Shout out to all the runners that I walked past from the HR team, and the people in accounting. I kept them motivated, because so they saw me coming, they decided to run.
I did a great job and I feel great.
So I didn't run, but I managed the team, and I'm so proud of the PBCJ team to see everybody just come out. The energy is great, and Team PBCJ, one PBCJ, never two.
Wonderful to be here. I'm so very excited to see, I think of my team as family, to see you all out here, you're having a good time, you're sending the message that PBCJ is about bringing information to the people, bringing the people to PBCJ. This is good stuff.